How to fix Skype cannot record call. First of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of 2025 and is fully now integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue, all you have to do is, first of all, you have to ensure it is Skype to Skype call or Microsoft Teams to Microsoft another Teams call. You cannot record calls made using the traditional subscription to call or the phone numbers or even landlines. And also use the correct in-app trigger. You simply have to go ahead and then while your Teams video chat is ongoing, tap on the screen to view the controls, tap the three-dotted menu icon on the bottom right corner, then select the Start Recording option. Once you do this, your problems should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.